Have you ever get tired of the very dark trunk dome light? Even if you replace it with a T10 LED, it can still be dark in one side. So I got a couple of these LEDs. You can use an LED strip if you want. And you also need some wires and some T10 adapters so we can utilize the original trunk dome light socket. So like I said, I'm going to use these LEDs and I put some 3M tapes right there so it won't rattle or move. First off, pick where you want to place your LEDs. For me, I found this hole right here, so I'm routing the wire and running the nut right behind it and trying to get it to lock into place. And here's a quick view of what I'm actually doing behind those blades. And after that, you simply just tighten it with the wrench. So at this point, I actually think that using an LED strip would be much easier, so I actually recommend it. So this is what it looks like after installing 3 of them. I added one extra on the left side so I have a light for my amplifier. So now we'll just have to connect all these wires and route them to the T10 adapter to connect to the socket. So after connecting all positive lines and negative lines, this is what my cable routing or wiring looks like. And I used some double-sided tape to keep them in place, and just good enough to hide all the wires from the outside. Now here's the finished product, and as you can see, we have a brighter trunk dome light right there. And here how it looks like during the night time, and compared to the original one, as you can see, if I place something on the right side, I will still have enough light on the left side, which is the main point of installing this. So like I said, I still recommend using an LED strip or any similar things like underglow. So I hope this could be helpful for you, and if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe for the next video. See you on the next one.